Hi there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this thankful sign. It is a sweet and simple project and one that you will want to leave hanging up all fall. The first thing you are going to do is paint the wooden word thankful. You are going to use white paint. You want to make sure that you paint the front and all of the edges and the sides of the wooden word. Once you are done painting the wooden word, you will let it dry completely, and then you will add a second layer of paint to the top of the word thankful. You will then set aside the word thankful to dry completely, and then you will grab your wooden sign with the wood bead hanger. And with that same paint that you used for the word thankful, you will then paint the wooden beads on the hanger. Next, I measured the insert of the sign, and it was 4 7/8 by 10.5 inches. You will then cut your paper to those dimensions. Next, you will add glossy accents into the insert of the sign. You then can use a paintbrush if you want to help spread the glue around. And then you will add the paper to the sign, and you will press down and smooth out the paper, making sure that there aren't any bubbles. Next, you are going to take your sanding block and you are going to sand the word thankful. You especially want to sand all of the edges of each letter, and then you can sand a little bit on the center of the word as well to just distress it. You will do the same thing to the wood beads. You are going to sand them with the sanding block so that they look a little distressed. The last thing that you will do is you will add glossy accents to the back of the wooden word thankful, and then you will adhere it in the center of the sign. Once the glue has dried, your sign is then ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.